Okay. So our first one, Renee Westcarth on Facebook. Can a permanent resident travel outside the U.S. with a dismissed petty theft case? Complete a diversion program, only offense case dismissed.
Yes. Enjoy your trip.
AJ on YouTube. Any news about speeding up cases at USCIS? 2 years for I-751 and 2 to 3 years for a VAWA is ridiculous.
I agree with you 100%. There is no new news.
Low Key Sam on Facebook. I'm a U.S. citizen. What applications do I need to file to bring my parents to live with me, and how long will the process take?
That's low key, Sam?
Yes.
Okay, on the low key, just an I-130 for each of them. Take about 1.5 years.
All right.
On the low key.
I like that. Unique Sales, or Say Less. Unique Say Less on Facebook. My friend wanted to know if she gets citizenship through her husband under the 3-year rule. He divorced her 1 year later. If she remarried, could she file for someone else from another country?
No, you have to have a green card for 5 years if you got your green card through marriage before you file for another spouse, unless you've become a citizen during that time period.
Anova on Facebook. Can an undocumented person in New York who is not qualified for TPS, came here on a B1, B2, overstayed, and who is not being petitioned for, apply for a work permit? And if so, what would be the cost?
No, you can't.
Yoshi on YouTube. Will I be successful in being approved for a student visa if my mom is a green card holder? She has filed a petition for me, over 21 years old and unmarried.
I doubt you get a student visa because you've already shown intent to get a green card.
Power Concepts on YouTube. As a permanent resident, can I do an adjustment of status for my wife to live with me in the USA despite the fact that she's waiting for her immigrant visa interview in the Caribbean?
Say again?
As a permanent resident, can I do an adjustment of status for my wife?
No, because your wife's in another country. Adjustment of status is only here in the U.S. That's why I didn't understand it. Okay.
Okay. Veronica Fagan on YouTube. I have a friend who's a U.S. citizen and got his baby's mother pregnant in Jamaica. The child wasn't registered in his name, but the child is his. Is that child automatically a U.S. citizен?
He would have to prove that it's his biological child, yes, if you can prove it.
Okay, Hassler Nuhu Nayande on Facebook. How long does it take to receive your VAWA application receipt?
2-3 months these days.
Ajongako Stephen on Facebook. Me and my girlfriend came to America at the same time and filed for asylum. She has a green card and my case is still pending. If we get married, can she file a green card for me?
Say again?
So me and my girlfriend came to America at the same time and filed for asylum. She has a green card and my case is still pending. If we get married, can she file a green card for me?
Yes, she would file an I-130.
Okay. Chap Dem on YouTube. Can someone found guilty of
manufacture and
distribution?
No, you cannot renew your green card. That seems like you would be a aggravated felon.
Okay, Tanny Smith. Hey, Brad, how long does it take to receive the receipt notice after filing the I-130?
It's taking 2-3 months these days.
Okay, Wayne Booth on YouTube. Hey, Brad, I need to do a certain income. Oh, wait.
Do I need to have a
certain income to file the Is it 130?
I-140.
There's an I-140.
I-140 is the employment sponsorship. So it's not your income; it's the income of your employer that you can show that they can afford to pay your offered salary.
Oh, we have an update.
What's the update?
From Dubai Shopping.
Okay.
On why Dubai Shopping is asking so many drug questions.
Why is Dubai Shopping asking so many drug questions?
This is deep.
Deep.
Because a blind date who was an immigration attorney tried to give him drugs to take home. Dun, dun, dun.
What's up with that blind date?
Right.
Whoa.
That's some deep stuff.
That is some deep stuff.
Iscav, yeah. Can a foster child file for parents?
Can a foster child file for parents? No.
Dang, really? A foster child?
Well, if you got your I assume when you say foster child, you got your green card through special immigrant juvenile. Because if you're a foster child, undocumented, you would get your green card as a special immigrant juvenile. If you were born a U.S. citizen, maybe something different.
Okay, Tovim Nash Hove, is aggravated assault a qualifying criminal activity for U visa purposes?
Yes.
Fontaine saying, hey Brad, can I file for VAWA outside the USA even if I overstay my visa?
You can file for VAWA outside the U.S. You know, we get this question a lot. You know, I want to file for VAWA, but I don't want to stay here. The problem is if you overstayed your time by more than a year and you leave the United States, you still have a 10-year bar even as a VAWA. So you'll file for VAWA and wait 10 years home. So you got to watch that.
Charles Lewis is saying, can someone who's under removal order who has been here for over 20 years be able to get a green card?
You mean you've been ordered removed 20 years ago? We would need to reopen your case first to get a green card. So 2 steps. A, how are we going to reopen your case? And once we do, what are we going to tell the judge why you're eligible for a green card? 2 very important things to determine before I say yes or no.
All right, and that is it.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.